Briscoe.
How do Bobby?
So you may come links to what I lane.
Say what? What me do?
This one's serious.
Why? When you forget one money, from the little work I do longer Mr. John longer so. But it's like he tell me say wait till next week. You understand? Because of the whole the whole mash up business are going already and thing, but me have one little thing for start out in the day and the evening. But in the dust up now 7 o'clock. So I don't know if you could lend more $10,000 so I can start my business and then I can carry back the money come give you later on. No, when Mr. John start me out with the money.
Why, Bobby? Why, Bobby, boy, I don't know. Serious ask that still, you know. Because, wait, we don't normally have money, Bobby, we don't understand what you really, what you say? Me? No, man, we don't think that's right, Bobby, we could do that.
Risco, listen me I say no man. You see, me not like to beg, me don't know how to beg, me don't know how to borrow neither. But me have a situation I have to deal with today. And because me down a yard and enough things arise, and me have to just say, me go start or me I start out. He's a man who me know say, you don't really spend money that regular. You not even buy groceries in your house and then sitting there. So at the end of the day, me know say, like you went to do the work down and Mr. Johnson pay you first. So me I say if you can just lend me that money there so me can actually start up my business and then by Mr. John start me out Sunday, Monday, you get your money back.
Mr. John, I ain't farmer.
I know what I ain't farmer, but
So you mean then how him to tell you that?
but
But that is my business and then what, me not have things to deal with too.
So me a friend.
Yeah, but me have picnic for feed too. Remember me do 2 DNA testing and I'm not sure if I which way to third yet, you know.
But the thing is, you know son of you put them, Briscoe. You know son of you
even though them white, it still can't look, sitting can't happen.
Briscoe. Them they pitting they ain't hear enough come on Briscoe.
So we don't have enough hair on my face too.
Them not no hair on their face. And girl pitting not supposed to have hair on their face. You understand me I say? So Briscoe, I be real. Maybe God send me have to come raise with them, make you understand say, if you have sense. I know fear pitting them. So stop going like you want to send money go down there so and make you people use you. You understand me?
Nah, use me generals. But watch you know man. You see the night, remember the night when they talk me, you know. I mean, no, so I feel it, I feel when they two people left me back. I feel it, I can't say that. Right now, I have to put that on focus, I have to make sure, say, make save them look money at the card, I have to give them that thing. We're going to come into play right now.
You see him there when you're running belly. You see him there when you're running belly and you call me out to carry to the hospital. That's the
you see, that's the pregnant feeling that, you know. Yes, you see, what them call a feeling and the pregnant feeling that me have. And somebody have got a doctor. So I saw the baby by the people.
Alright, Briscoe, here my tell me money now, money.
But you know, I'm gonna be honest with you. You see, pick of them thing. I say, you not let me money. No, man.
Alright, Briscoe.
Me the hear a thing one time, say one time, then they lend you money one time. And I want go shop.
Yo, Briscoe, in my lane, I expect disrespect from my friend them, but obviously I'm a friend. That disrespect me. Eh?
I don't disrespect.
Disrespect me.
But you tell the money go shop. Me think say you say you want the money for go buy food and everything then.
You know my business? Yo, leave my business alone. You help me, that's fine. Bush.
Yo.
What go on, bro?
Where are you? Which place do you have?
Boy, I'm still you what go on. So, yo, it's like, you have a thing to start out in the evening. But, I don't know if you have money can lend me.
No, something I no money, brother. No money, brother.
Look at Bush. You know your style, you know.
What kind of style?
He's a man who really and truly.
Brother,
you don't really like lend money, me understand that, but it reason what me want if you spend on right now, you go understand us. Because I want, you know, I think woman there yard now treat me too good.
Bridget, you know give back money. Hold on, what you say?
Yeah.
What you say? Your woman or what?
Nah, treat me too good. Nah, open up. Nah, you know, I'm tired for big and sitting there. And you know, say, you know, vibes are going on.
Last time, you know, cause you know my little style, you know.
No, man.
Yeah, you see it, you know. You see you? Yo, that's good, man. Go on in your yard.
No, man, you can't go on my yard.
What do you mean you can't go? I do thing you come on, man.
I know it's a thing more link up, but I know so you know the location them. Yo, you remember one girl we tell boy one time? And so she saw it properly. Which part she there?
No, so a serious thing at upon.
Yeah, brother, I want to borrow a thing because you know so me go pay back look a bush.
I'm thinking about that about me.
Brother, a serious thing. I can't go come here right now. Yeah, cannot now go on. I'm going to go on lock shop. I 3 to 4 weeks now, not going to yard. I mean, I say, I can't bother with that.
3 to 4 weeks, you gum up, man. You gum up, man.
So,
yeah, I love you, man. Why? We wish we could help you.
Give me number, man.
Eh?
Give me girl number, man.
The number. Alright. You want know? I don't know. Me link with them, you know. So you want know? I want cool one there. One nice go and show them picture. Cool, see alright.
Look that one, man. Slim and trim.
Yeah, man.
Look like just
look for that one. Other night, what that one of them?
Jesus, look how much.
Yo. How do you
No, sir.
Yo, you narrate me now.
You may say right now.
I know. So, alright, so you want this one a number, the Indian one?
Just WhatsApp it to my phone.
WhatsApp it?
Yeah.
Alright,
you
hold on.
so
Hold on.
I can have it. Come my phone left down here. I go back
here. Hold on.
492.
No, man, I have a number.
Alright.
I have a number, man. Alright, so I'm selling there, but remember now, I don't love lending money, you know, Bobby. Because the last time I lend money, I know I don't get it back, you know.
Brother, I'm say we went drink out it. So when you talk about get back now, remember say
what you say while ago? Member, say, me no feel like you're member.
How you go then?
You're a member. You're night in that bar. Me buy the first set. And you say, lend me 1,000. And me lend you. So now use the word member. But you want to know, I don't want I'll kill you. Because you're my friend.
That me attack.
So you are going. And you are going. No want back my money.
Yeah, I get it back, man. By Monday, my Monday week there, so.
Mark, you know, sir.
Listen to me now, man. You see, don't sit in the shop. I go do some work. So I forget that money there. So by weekend, I'm supposed to get. I choose me to get the money, you know.
Listen,
and the man go pay me brethren before he pay me. Eh? How you do that? The man go pay Briscoe. Briscoe get money before me.
I'm not busy on Briscoe. Them, what me just want back my money when me give sir. Alright.
Look at Bush, I don't know, say, right now you do me a big favor, brother.
Boy, as me say, boy, I don't want I'll kill you. I last 5 grand me alone, you know.
Alright. Respect, man.
Don't listen what me I say now. How you go attack you now? Right? You have to not go like say you have money, you know.
No, I'm not going away them. I'm not going to
when you approach her, you call her. She dey on the front at night time, the right out side of Sandra bar. Yes, she knew upon the black down there. Same time she come from. Right? So what you are going to do now? You not go like you have money, you know. Right? You just calm. You understand?
Alright.
5 grand take care of everything. You understand?
No, you have to have a laugh.
No bother with it, man. No bother with it. Listen, yo.
Really, right?
Yo. Feel like yo. No, bother. Yo, look at Bush. Look at Bush. Yeah, answer me, see me. I'm not that, bro. Come on, yeah, come on. Make sure we get the money, you know.
Yeah, man. Good evening. Me kind of want. So me, we want to like
Talk no man.
I might wonder like, you know, cause them say you do the things them.
Do the what?
The money business.
The money business?
The money business.
Listen to me. Talk straight no man. A business you want?
Yeah.
How much money? Have you have money?
Yeah, man, I have some money.
Money.
But I want to go up on the place to talk. I'm really like...
No, but we have to get that over with right now.
No, me I said, you have to understand.
No, but my business. I mean, I tell you my business run.
I have the money, but me I said to you, I mean, I want to take it out here so make people say a business like that me I do, cause you know, I don't know if people in LA know say that you do, but
everybody know.
Everybody know. Alright, so that make it worse. So Corridors, go up on the
Say I have money.
You have money.
You sure?
Yes, me have
you
money.
sure say I have money?
Yes.
I like broke man. No?
I know, no, I'm not broke.
You have to pay me
have a lot of
properly.
Yes, of course. So how much you talk about though? Like,
well, enough of the money the more fun it's gonna be set depending on how much money I have. Talk to me.
I will go to make sure everything and we just work it out.
So we can't agree from here, sir?
We agree.
Oh, you look like you don't know what you want, so.
No, it's not.
You nervous?
That me nervous. Me not really.
Why?
It's me not really supposed to do so now, cause me no want.
Stop, look for me and me come to. But yeah, look everywhere. Look for me.
No,
yeah? You don't know for the business, give me eye contact. Look. Tell me straight what you want.
Me want something. So I don't know if we can go do it. Go,
yeah, walk your walk, come here, how we gonna reach? Which way you want to go?
So can go for your place, up in building better.
Come, go on.
You go first.
Ladies go on.
Ladies first, gentlemen.
I don't want you to grab me, you know.
No, I'm not that kind of guy.
You still nervous? Where's I mean, you alone there to say no?
It's not so nervous no, but I want it so bad. So
just pay me make we get it over with.
So we go do everything. Yeah, like you go move, you go turn around, go.
How much money you have? A joke you make?
A 5.
This cannot do anything. Come. I'm waste my time come because I know say enough people don't get started for me. You may talk to him?
So how much you want? A 5,000 sign?
Listen to me. You get the information from good source, not you. And them tell us how much money for carry, not you. You really bring 5 grand? This can buy my juice. Come out of my house.
So much money for
you need more money.
Like how much more, sir?
Tell me how much you have, I'm tell if you can work. As of right now, this can't work. You can't work. Do better. Do better, man. Go down in your pocket.
Yes, me can. Take my count out.
How much joke can I make? Take them off. Take them off. Cause I have to play thing and take my phone.
I'll be a place.
You seen a school picnic, sir?
What do you mean see the school picnic?
Me tell you some here run shop.
Take my count them out. Not enough money, so you know.
Take them up. Come on. Come on.
What do you mean come out?
This can't work. This cannot work. You don't have no more than me. You don't have no more than me.
No, this is enough money. This is. Help me count it out now. I want the business to go on 20, 40, 60, 80, 100.
Mega call somebody to come take you out here.
What do you mean count?
Because this can't be business 6 grand?
Yes, and this is about 4 more thousand. We are talking about.
A joke you take my phone? A joke you take my phone?
You know what? It's alright. It's everything good.
Come out and me keep this.
You can't keep it.
You waste my time. Come up here. You can't tell me that.
No, you can't keep
Want
it.
I bet you can't walk back through the lane? You come up here at GG. Me should even agree for carrying you.
I don't understand what you're going with. This is a robbery. See, next business like must you call
yes, yeah. Maybe. Come on, man.
So alright. So even my lap dancing.
No, come on.
No, but you take my money.
Because you don't waste my time already. First you come and you take 10 minutes for I'm this and then you come in here and have enough money to show silver. A prank me?
No, it means a prank, so I'm money this.
You want to mention me take the fire? Come on.
Alright.
You have iPhone, you can pay proper money to get where you want. Give me the phone and make we start it out.
No, this is a phone.
Give me the phone, make we start it out.
What do you mean give your phone and start it out?
Give me the phone, make we start it out.
Alright, start it first. Alright. Just, give me back 1,000 and I'm going.
Give me the phone.
Give me back 1,000 and I'm going
Give
now.
me the phone.
Give me...
Small Samsung, that would be a good deal.
Just give me back 1,000 and I'm
No,
going.
come on. No, but you waste my time, so you have to pay for my time, you know. You understand?
People like one.
No, come on.
Everything good, man.
Come on. What kind of crosses is this we take up on myself?
You're thief!
Crosses?
Yo, look at Bush.
Where are you going with?
I have a story to tell you.
Boy, Babylon Town, you look shine.
Brother, I'm tell you say right now.
What going on with you now? What going on with you?
Come like a robbery go on, brother.
Eh?
Yeah, man. That money, where you get that money from? Eh? You man take me money,
What
actually
go on with
literally
you?
take. Brother, I'm going there and she talk about, can me never go and hype, you know.
Look
That's
like
first
you
thing.
look like you do something when myself do, man. Because right now, nobody when me give link, never have no problem. Are you alone, me give link, and you come back to me now and put robbery to me now, like, but I send it to nobody with the robbery.
Yeah, but she tell me say she want more money. She tell me say 5,000. Me take out the 5,000 first and then she talk about more. Me give her
No,
the
man.
5,000.
You're good to go there and I go like say you have money, man. And that go
Go on like me have money.
Yes.
So why me who not have money if you gonna me have money? How people go and let them have money? Come in the money.
Listen what I say. Then me never send nobody yet.
Over
Down
there, sir.
And this I reach them. From then do what myself do, then get so.
You hear me, assistant?
So what's up with you? Me don't understand. What go on?
Call us, me know who you no money then, sir.
Not catch up, sir. I want to sell it soon.
Yeah, but as me I say, call us, me know who you no money. Cause you send me to one
What you mean, sir? What?
take on my money.
What is
You
the money,
understand me, I
mad man? Where's that while ago?
So just
call
call
it,
it.
what?
Yeah, because so where you go call it then?
Bobby.
You send me go
Bobby.
to one woman and say,
Bobby.
give her that and you get that.
Bobby,
and
me
then
have
you
friend, you know. But me will make police lock up here, you know.
I feel what?
Don't tell me say me not get back my money because it's second money now.
But you have to go squid out.
Bobby, come out of my yard, Bobby.
Wait a minute,
I want my
me
money,
come out
Bobby.
the yard,
Bobby.
but the squid
Bobby.
out.
Bobby,
Call it one.
listen me now, Bobby. Don't tell me no bonus. I'm the last money me give you. You tell me your situation, and I say, all right, I don't want I'll kill you. Me lend you my money and now you tell me say, no, Bobby, you're not right, man.
So
You're right.
how if you go then? How if you work out then?
Bobby,
Eh?
Bobby, come out of my yard, sir, and get me money can come give me. Next
Look-
time I see you,
Look at Bush.
just boss, don't call my name. Just carry my money come give me, sir. The next time I see you, make sure some money you come with. Take your hand from my car, boss, and go on, sir.
This old car where you have fixed so long, eh?
You know
What's
matter,
your old car?
Me a sitting door.
Yeah, we sitting. No, nothing this, sir.
No, hold yourself.
Eh? Me no owe you. Briscoe!
Briscoe isn't here.
Briscoe not there?
No. What you want?
Eh, well, you know my thing going on. I tell myself, come and give me a second, man.
What you want now?
I sell stuff, you know. Good evening, good evening.
But me never order nothing from you.
But that's it, man. Take your time, man. And no matter order. Are you here today, you know? If you feel comfortable and sit down. Sit down.
Me no want to sit down.
You don't want to sit down?
Me want to stand over here where you sell me.
Alright, so me have the vehicle over there, so I park the vehicle over there with the pumpkin and yam and sitting there. So you know one of yam and breadfruit.
What you say?
Breadfruit. So see planting them. Me sell like one of them for $300. You understand? But like what Briscoe, you know what I mean, now I'm support me, but I give them for $2.25.
Banana.
Planting, this is a planting. And that one are planting. A banana you want? You want banana? Eh?
Oh, you said what? Planting?
Planting, but if you
Oh.
want banana, I can find banana for you.
No, but you didn't say banana first. Sorry. Guess me never hear good. You know, me not hear too
I
well sometimes.
planted me say first, man.
A banana me dey hear.
Banana here, me never want a banana figure, man. But if you want banana, I can get it for you. Just go in a room for some money and we will take out, you know, like me will find it for you if you want me find it for you. You want me find it for you? But then again, you have to spend some money today because you look like you're not really interested in buying. What time Briscoe come back here?
Bristol come various times, you know. Sometimes he come 5, sometimes he come 6, sometimes he come 7. Me don't know exactly when.
So fear, alright. I'm ready for this one. So you say you're interested in a planting?
I don't want that thing. Neither planting nor banana. Cause me read your lips a banana you did say first. Now you change it say a plant in your mouth. I say no. Not because me hard of hearing, me read lips.
But I never say all of that, you know. Is that yeah? So you say me, I say me. Why? How you I say what me? I say, but me not say that.
Your mouth is so.
Alright, you make it do. When Briscoe forward, tell Briscoe to come link me for some of the case. Alright? I want you to have a wonderful day.
What you say?
When Briscoe forward, make Briscoe link me.
So me fi walk toward you?
No. Me never said that. Me never said that.
Oh, I hug you want hug me? Me no want no hug. But me fi walk toward you. Bright and out order. How you take me for?
Something wrong with the ears them.
Your mouth say walk toward you.
Me.
Me no want you.
This your mouth here.
Your mouth is so, me see mouth. And the tongue in your mouth a wiggle and say toward.
Alright, have a wonderful day. Toward.
Galan. I'm about to business.
Something wrong with Briscoe, man.
Oh, Baba. Why me can't believe it? The man him come say he must sell me banana. Banana.
How am table we?
Me say one man him come here talk about he must sell me banana.
What?
Banana.
What me man come here come talk about him and sell the banana? Which man come here?
No, Bobby. I think a Bobby in name, you know.
My friend Bobby we?
Him same one.
Eh, where you say go on?
Say come here. Want me fi buy banana from him. Banana. And the only banana me know a man sell woman you know how.
No, but me must say him sell food, you know. Him sell ground provision, you know. You sure not that him try sell you?
But me never tell him say me want banana, so how him would come and sell me banana?
No, but baby girl, me must say him sell them something there, you know. So you sure him never say oh, a banana, food banana him can come sell you? Or what?
No, me not think say no ground provision he must sell me.
So what you say?
He must say must sell me banana. Then he must say room. Me reading lips, you know. Not because me can't hear properly, me reading lips. He say room. Me see mouth, make it room. He does say room. Me watch his lips say room.
So him say banana and room.
Yes. Me know say me see say mouth see so. Not because sometimes me not hear good. Me see when
man,
say.
what kind of out hard and is that, man? We really, I said, Julie. But Bobby, really come and try and call about him and give you a banana in a room.
That him say?
I'm mad. Which way him turn?
He left through the gate gone here.
I'm going for him right now. I go for him. Right now I go and go. Wait.
Damn bright out.
Where my shit? I want my shit.
Banana room.
Where my shit?
What can go so? Eh? Banana room.
I want my shit. I can't find my shit.
I
can't find my shit. I'm going up, baby. Don't worry yourself. I'm going up there right now. Go sort it out. I'm going to deal with him.
Deal with him, matter man.
I'm going to deal with him.
Let me have some little dirty foot, barefoot girl. Eh? Crabbe. Where you take me from? You think me a crabbe? Look for me, nice, clean me. Well taken care of. Why would I want no other man banana? Eh? In a room?
Yeah, man, them still there, man. Them still there.
Bobby. What one?
Briscoe, what to you? Hold on.
But what do you mean by what to me?
Give me a second. So, yeah, man, you break for them there, man. You ain't ready for them, come for them. Alright?
I really wait upon Bobby.
Me call her back.
You call him back.
Briscoe.
Bobby, I be your last call that you make, you know. Eh? How kind of style at me you really there to portray my youth? How you come on my yard, come bribe my woman? Eh? Boy, you buy front. What kind of style that?
Me?
Eh?
Briscoe, me?
I mean by me.
Who could I tell that, Briscoe?
Big man.
Eh?
Don't come go on like you want come tell like, yo. My woman tell me say, brother. Say you come to her and give her this look out like you want come put words to her and I use
Me?
money, you know.
Me?
I mean by for you, my
Briscoe,
youth.
you me come link up and you did it. Who? Alright, first thing is first. Who tell her that? Can you never did it? Who tell her that?
Big man, my woman tell me say how are you come link her and when you link her, she say oh yeah tell her about money business and have to forward with your my youth.
No. I have some misunderstanding.
What kind of misunderstanding
Yo.
general? What kind of style that big man?
No.
I just the other day come link me for your food, you know. What kind of money, what kind of bribe you try bribe me? Yo, you never know I go another bit right now, flow me for flow it to all your one fruit,
Alright,
you know.
listen to me I say this. And if you understand this, because your woman sometimes she hard of hearing, and that's a problem. So she not hear me I say properly. And you know so she hard of hearing too. Me can't you come here as a friend, you come I'm going like you want to fling breakfast. I mean your brethren, you know. You feel so make a look at your woman.
What you mean?
No,
What you
I'm
mean?
going to go sell her some stuff. Yo,
Sell her stuff.
what you mean? And she a think so me a talk about banana and sell her all kind of your woman always a think certain things smutty and that's her problem. I mean we go call you know. Check your phone, you must not miss call for it. Check your phone.
Yo, you probably slip up in and ring all my phone, no, Bobby.
No
Way I do it, no, Bobby.
Listen, me, I say, man. Understand the circumstances what go on. We don't never do that. You think we don't do that? You don't do that to me? Eh?
Bobby,
You don't do that to me?
So where you want to go in that room with her for?
Which going to which room? I don't say that amount of room. I say go in the room for the money. If you come buy the banana. That's all. I don't understand why she feel like say me I look her. I don't look her.
Yo, Bobby, you know you come down me and come sell me woman no banana, sell her no farmer fruit, you know. You
Let's
know,
go.
man, anytime you have fruit for drop off, man, you left it out of a shop, man, or call me.
Alright, no worry yourself. Misunderstand. That's all I tell you about. Simple as that. Since put on my
And make sure it's a misunderstanding to you, know, Bobby, because, yo, them time you can't ramp around with my man, woman, you know.
Alright, my boss. If I say yes, I say yes.
Yeah,
But
man.
tell her I say if a mistake and a misunderstanding, I'm sorry if I so. You understand me? I say if it's offend anybody, apart from you, you know what I mean? Me sorry. But I can't disrespect my friend. You understand me? I say.
No sell her no more banana,
Me
man.
not sorry more banana.
Remember, you know.
What am I tell
And
you?
carry half dozen breadfruit for them to have.
Make sure you have your money in your live cash, you know.
You subscribe yet?
Hi, Boomy. You ain't got nothing here to tell me. Yeah, me just come back. Me just come back in, man. Remember the tell us me I go up on the road a little bit. Yeah, me just come back in. And when I come back in, I realize that you was not there. So, you know, which way you gone? Which way you gone? Where you gone? Where you gone up on your mother for, Booby? What you talk about? Cheese and peas. Booby, hold on there, man. Hold on there.
Bobby, so you still vexed about this Bobby situation? But Bobby, me talk to you, me tell you, me don't need tell you, me did tell him. Bobby, me rush him, me not tell him. Bobby, I swear to you, me believe you, of course. Yes, me believe you. No, why would you say that, Bobby? No, but Bobby, him say I just misunderstanding the other side, I never really bust in your head, you know. Because I took up a breadfruit for lick him, you know. But because he says I'm misunderstanding, other side, I never bother lick him. No, but Bobby, I don't want to get in no trouble. But me believe you, of course me believe you, but me tell him say don't come back on my yard. And no joke, Bobby. No man. No, Bobby, you can't go. You can't do that. Bobby, me need you. Bobby, you can't come out of the house. No, Bobby, you can't do Jesus and peace. Me believe, I swear to God, me believe you. What you want me to do? Anything you want me to do right now, me do it. You want me to go for him? Me I go call him. Yeah man. Alright, you want me to go do, Bobby? Me I go call him. And I go put him on face call. And make it see me did body him up. And make it see me did talk to him. Me did tell him, me say him not to do it. And me tell him not to do it, man. Because he can't come violate my woman like that. Me say it to him, Bobby. Alright. Yeah. So calm down. Because I want you back in your yard, no, Bobby. Me can't do without you. You want me to do? Me I go call him upon you right now. And I go call him. And I go call him right now. Alright? Right now. Cheese and peace. What is so Father God? Oh, Bobby come get me now, man. But you reached the voice mailbox. If I write number this. Man, phone lock off. You know what? I never not hesitate. I'm going to go down there right now. Yeah, man, the house hard. Yo, Bobby! How up? What? Come on, man.
You remember man left me in my youth. What can I notice? Yo, hold on. I need to call her. Hold on there. I need to call her right now. You need to fix this, you know? You have to fix this, you know? What you mean my youth? You mash up a relationship, my youth. You make Bobby left me, my youth. You make me go to the yard and the whole I close them gone. You know? Hold on, you know what you say? Yo, Bobby, you hear me, man? Don't move enough. Don't move, because you have to go talk to her. Talk to her for what? Briscoe? I talk to her for what? You say don't move, big man. Let me call her. You serious? Briscoe? One. You never gonna? You hear me say don't move, Bobby. Hold on to my youth. See, be careful, get that shit now. And yo, you rest on my youth. You mash up my relationship. And we don't know what you are going to do, you know, but you have to go fix it. Briscoe, me say. Just have to go fix it. Oh, maybe fix your relationship. That's one thing. Your woman deaf. Father here, we are talking about Briscoe. Let me go to Briscoe. Big man. Hear me after my youth. You know, because of you, my woman left me, you know. What do you mean by that? Me no business. What do you mean by you no business? Me come to sell out for banana. And the woman say she don't want a banana, me left the place. Look here now, big man. Yo, Briscoe. You say now? Yeah. Where you go? Where me say me go? Hear me say now? Don't left your yard, you know. Hear me say no. Don't left your yard, because you have to come fix this. And he say, if me ever come back here and I see you, you know what going me in this blouse and skirt. Yeah. No, we can't call my boy. Briscoe too. Your woman sick and you sick. I sick head over there. Me no feel left me yard. Me go for the road, go send them jelly. You know what do you? Right back at you, but some of the place.
Where are you? Because me just a little while ago call the phone and I can't get you. From when me I try call the phone, I'm not get you. Where are you? Me can't get you. Yeah, but you must get lunchtime or sit down, see me call and can call me back. The money provides that I can't take it no more. The money provides that I can't. Yeah, but me give you me have on the like say all the time me not rich. Me give you me have. You know say anytime me call you but then I cuss me and I kill you how me feel. If you call me and can't get me you know, you go and go on you know. Yo, alright, yo, yeah, look come on, somebody calling me. Look come on, man. Look come on.
Then yeah, this is the best kind of jelly you can get right now.
Brother, you see this I look like a from last year, you jump off a tree and you pick it up. I stand blow you walk and pick it up.
No man, bro, you know say my trees that come off. This morning me pick them. Anyway, you know say this morning.
So we had to walk and give them.
Give over. I said yeah, come on man. Yo, how many get this Mr. Brother? Hold on.
You know some here say. You know what I'm trying to buy still. But you know some here say I go with a bag of things to up.
You mean bag of things? You're talking about.
See I walk and borrow people money and buy things at go shop.
What kind of rumor that you hear? Who don't tell you that at in a dinner time?
So what, you're not borrowing no money?
Me not say me not borrow no money.
You're not gonna go shop.
Me not say me wouldn't go. What so where you really are here?
You're not say a liar, you're not admitting, you're not denying.
No, me not say it is not a possibility of such, but it's not something where it's like a priority for me. And don't tell you that. I bet say a Briscoe tell you that. You know, so Briscoe come check me earlier when I come back there, but say me can't come out the house. Don't let me out because me mash up in relationship. Right?
Alright. You know what you all want to go on with that's what I know. So me hear a thing and I say it to you, I'm not want to buy.
Me ask you a question. So you never buy it?
Yeah. You see, me I say one thing to you and you are trying to mix me up.
I don't mix me up. No, but you set me up like say me is worse.
I don't me not tell you like you know, me I tell you what me serious.
But who can I tell you?
Yo, me not mix up with that.
I don't look at Bush tell you.
Listen man, me not call about the name dog. You know tell me not mix up. I'm not mix you up, I'm not mix up nobody. I'm not call about it.
Alright, wrong cup. You mess around. This is a jelly. You won't start with you. If you not buy it, just lend me money and we give up on next time.
It's the same thing I talk about.
You mean same thing? I just
maybe go check somebody else, man. Maybe we get the sale. People love jelly, you know what? Yeah, maybe we get the sale. Maybe I get the sale.
First thing you insult me, say me I go shop. Then you insult
me. Me never tell us I go shop. Brother, me never tell us, me tell you something. Me tell us me hearsay.
Alright, Ronco. Have a wonderful day, yeah?
Yeah, man, link somebody else.
Ronco, so I don't want to.
Yeah, my girlfriend, I want.
Your girlfriend?
Wow, it's all I can want, right?
That's a possibility. You got yourself, yeah?
Yeah, man. Why just so far? Come close, someone to say something. Yeah, me know my wife. What's so nice? Yeah, me nothing.
What many things? I'm coming to that from there. What kind of foolishness? You just ask him and know him. You know him?
Yeah, me know my wife.
Me tell you.
When man tell me say something I don't like how it want to sound, man. It want to sound right, you know.
Oh, me
you man sell coconut, you know, tell me nothing.
Oh, coconut is okay. Okay. No, if a coconut that's orange. So that's coconut. You long time for the new long time?
Yo, what's the concern, bro? You want him?
No, you see me there place already.
Yo, just stop asking about me. Yeah.
So yeah, go on.
Yeah, you upset if I even me call up on your phone and know you have to answer your man.
Yeah, me could talk about that. But you can't know me there with that.
Yo, me know what you're doing such an argument, you know.
And then you switch it like how we switch it, make we see up on topic. Why you call me their word?
Come on, call him.
So, no call me their word. You can't call me call me their word.
Alright, you know what? Yo, low off for that. I'm ready for that, man. Come on, man.
Bobby!
Come with me now, man, and stop a foolishness. You see you tie up.
Bobby!
How are you there?
What you mean what me a do ya?
You don't see what me I do? What I'm to you?
What you mean what me a do ya? Me come for money.
What?
Money
Hold
me come for.
Hold on. Stand there, so I have to come chat to you. Tap me. What's the deal? Come for which money? Eh?
What you mean come for which money? After me come and call you now you over there so with goat. You have money to buy a goat but you not have money to give me the work.
Listen to me. That goat over there is an investment. You are not an investment. You are only a liability. Everything me have to give you and you not benefit me. Eh? And you not believe in them that the next thing. You come here every day, you want money. Me don't tell you say don't come back down here. Come take out the rest of your things them and just take them go on.
Shut your mouth. That a investment that can make you feel good, eh? That a sleep with you at night time, eh? Look how much night me make you feel ball out in the house and I say, Jesus, like you go dead in there, eh?
Mary, you forget see 3 weeks now you make me feel good? 3 weeks. And you can talk about money, this and that.
You forgot you never give me no money? So I eat me cannot get no feel good.
So what gonna happen now? You come for money so you give you money and make me feel good? That a go on?
So come then now. Come give me money and me make you feel good.
Me
That
no
me
money, I
want.
know that's a problem.
So I'm not about dear God.
Listen, Mary. Me no think it's a work out, you know. Me no feel say this is a work out between me and you because I guess I know. You know, in me, for me. If me not have money, me can't get nothing and I am a woman. Me no think you take me as a real person. You understand me I say?
Stop chat foolishness. Sell the investment and make and get money and you can't give me money so me can't give you a little loving.
It's a straight business this one. Eh? You're worse than girl up on the road.
But yeah. This needs soap and water, you know, to wash, you know. I buy me if you buy soap, you know, and I pay me if you pay for water, you know. I want to this money, yeah.
Alright, you are going to marry. You see, since that this you take it. You take time, you see when you come in. I don't know if you want to retrace your step and go back where you come from, or you want to turn your front and come out. But in now, what between me and you? So just understand, say, this is it. No come back at my yard. No beg me no money. Consider yourself by yourself. Take time, go on. Go.
It's alright. Me will find somebody else to give me what I want. You don't want to give me what I want? Go on with the investment, your investment.
Yeah, tricks,
Well,
you know. So, me no depend that.
go
Whole
along where
hurricane.
you go, you're not good somebody. You're dirty man. Me don't know what me that do with you from the first. Go away!
Yeah, man, show your true
dirty
colors.
man, you.
Whole hurricane, me no get none. And you want to come arrive when light come back.
I
Take
think
yourself.
I got mad, you.
Bobby. Boy, me call the phone, Bridget, and you reject your call them, you know. That you do, you know, you. What go on?
You know, say you're part of the problem.
With what
As a
now?
bigger brother. Hold on there. See people just a call me now. Hello. Me soon carry the fruits them come. Here? Soon carry the fruits them. So give me 5 minutes and me carry the fruits and come deliver, ma'am. Alright? Alright, ma'am. Cool. All them people
Yeah,
are
deliver
calling.
fruits.
What you mean?
Anyway, back to what me there say. Where you reject your call them for, Bridget?
Brother, you know say you are part of the problem. I don't even know that.
What happened now?
What mean say what happened now? You know defend me in the office. Why you think me left the office? Eh?
Defend your how?
What you mean say defend me how? Because basically, What I do is try to play me and tell me for fool. So me just say to myself, say, me go just try a little thing and farming is the first thing come to my mind. You understand me? I say, oh, you vexing me a farm?
Me not vex say you farm, but you farm the fool like yourself. What you know about farming? Eh? It a work out for you? Answer me. You farming a work out for you, Bridget?
Not really, but
Alright.
you can buy one little 6 dozen egg and
Man, tap your foolishness here, man. And if you put everything aside and come back and come work, man, and do something decent and solid. What you do a foolishness? You don't have much knowledge about selling and all this. Talking about selling anyway. Me say you're number one buyer.
Yeah, buyer.
Alright. Me hear tree grapevine, you know. Say this is the thing where you pick up, say you sell fruits and all them things there. All of your money and everything I go back in a year bank. All you have it in a buy front. You think me not hear?
Who tell you that?
I don't have to tell you who tell me, Bridget.
Me don't want you in my business, you know, that me I tell you, you know.
Well, listen to me. If your business ever there road, money here,
Listen to me. Alright, where you really coming from? Because you mash up my day. Me have to go deliver the fruits to you, man. Just call me a while ago.
Man,
where you up to?
Forget boy fruits. I tell you, if you come back at your place, come back at work. And that's how you know, and that's how you used to strive and make things. I mean, what kind of fool thing you're content about? I come tell us, boy, yo, just come back, man, and stop going with the foolishness, man. Foolishness you're going with. That don't make no sense, man. That is non-progressive.
Do you know about pressure?
Me let me know about pressure, Bridget. Me a younger brother, me a older brother. I will let me go through in a youth. You talk about pressure. How are you, man?
The pressure what them put me through, pressure bus pipe, you know, if you know that.
And a pipe alone, Bridget. Pressure bus a whole heap of things. Listen to me, man. Just cut out the foolishness. Come back. Zane? Come back. Come in your sense, man. Come back. Zane? Alright, big man?
Me think about it for some of the case.
I
But
don't
if
think, man.
If you do forward, you have to go raise my pay, you know, that me I tell you, you know.
Well,
I don't want to advance right away.
That's how you make demands fast. Don't worry about that, man. Just come back in my place, boss. Zane, the chance me I give you. Now you need it. And anyway, you need to go do something about that now, because them little ear bank thing and all them sitting there still, you know, boy, I tell you, say, yes, you say, where all money go?
So what if it's my choice?
I don't say your choice, but it's a stupid choice.
Yeah, because you can't trust woman at them time now. But you can trust the go them. Because them they work.
Let me ask you, let me tell you, wait, let me tell you something. You see all them money that we have spent, Zane, this might sound away still, but it's unnecessary. Because all the next morning when you get up, you cannot get the same feeling where you get the night before, all the money gone and everything. When you make sense, it proves nothing. All them women, it not prove nothing.
Why you think me run me out of the house? Eh? When you give me her $5,000, she says she alright, and then tomorrow she has some bills and she want to do her hair and all these things. Eh? So that's why me choose the life that I want. Just left that. If me do forward come and work, you don't worry about my personal life. It's not like me do it every night.
Alright, anyway. Just for the long and short, whatever. Just come back. Alright, boss? Zine, sir?
If I say yes. Tomorrow me shout you and make you know what really I want.
Anyway, me have to go get back because, trust me. Come on, my brother. I got it.
Yeah, me that call it earlier, come and tell us something you want to talk to you. No, okay, they leave a message from my phone and say, right, so me that make you know, so me not gonna bring in as much money like me used to. No, me not make enough money last week either. No, cause watch, you send 7 people to me, right? And out of the 7, 3 alone pay. And one of them bring silver. No, me not take your thing for joke, but me I tell us that me not make enough money. And out of the look what me make off for the 3 clients, them, me not know what to give outside, because if me give money outside, me go left broke. But just hope you can understand from my point of view. We not make no money. Me not take your thing for joke, me I tell us that me not make no money. So what I must do? Cause me da plan to keep that for myself and then try work up back something. 3 clients alone pay, 1 bring silver, so you can say 2. And the money that. Alright. Alright.
So babes, you're not gonna link me? What you mean by you're not gonna link me? Auntie not there, you know? Just ease yourself and go and check my man. You know what thing already.
Hey, hold on.
Wait there, babes.
Hang on.
How dare to come and disturb my call? Who is you?
Tia, you know my mommy?
Tia. Me not remember you from nowhere.
A booby man.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Are you?
Yeah, I mean same one.
Lord God. What? What on? What you are doing here?
What you mean by what me I do here? Let me no booby man.
I know me can't believe say you no believe auntie say Bobby sell her banana them. And when me say banana, you know what me I talk about.
Hey, stop it, you know. About banana. It's not no banana. Listen to me now. It's propaganda spreading.
So when you are go round a yard?
Not gonna look for booby.
Nobody go round there. Auntie no want to see you.
So hold on. What you say? Booby round there or she down there round?
She not round there. What happened to you, sir?
Wait me, she soon come back?
Me no know. I was sleeping when she leaves, so I couldn't tell you.
I don't know about she gone with.
You not here, me no know. As you can see, me did up on phone call and I want to finish so you can leave now.
So me can't go look if she come back.
No, you can't leave. She's not round. But you go, she not round there.
No, I see. No booby, no.
Come back later then because she not round there. I want to finish the phone call.
And tell her it's me sorry. I don't know. Here.
Alright,
I'm gonna fix it.
A little word for you. Go on, man.
Please.
Alright.
Alright.
God. Babes are still there? So I'll make my man hang up.
Oh boy. Why me we just left and gone so. Yeah. Brother, me see a 3 miss call him, but me couldn't call him back. I never no credit at the time. Come I drop off some fruits down a Briscoe. But if a year I go on Briscoe to beef ball. They say no business about Briscoe. Alright. How happen? They say link you up. Yo, I'm don't tell you say yo, I'm not have be out. The money there, the $5,000, you have to just call it quit. Eh? And that you want to talk about? But brother, I have the money for get no man. If that's the case. Alright. Me go take a shower and then yeah. Alright, me forward. You can come. Alright. Yeah, look come on.
Keisha, I so call her back. Man. Me a fall. Just stay upon the location. Me a come. Don't move from this. Alright. Yeah man, I don't have much time in so run that now, because I have to go check next girl and so.
I know much, you know. Me tell you by phone already say I know much.
No, but you gotta tell me that it's like you tell me say I'm not gonna get enough money. I'm not gonna get no money. What happened? What you mean?
You keep on asking what I mean and we have the conversation over the phone and I explain to you already say I nah make no money, no dep on the road. The
Indian. Indian. Alright, just give me what you make. No, go on, cause I have to move now.
Get everything I'm gonna make?
Give me what you give me, no, go on. I must have joke this. Indian, what this?
Me tell you, say no much.
Indian.
Are you cleansing my the problem?
Hold on,
now?
listen what me I say. You know how much money me invest in this business?
You know how much strength I put in this business.
Hold on.
Me I do my best.
You see when me I get client, me I lend them money. You see this client here, $5,000 me lend him. So if me get back 3, that means I me lose 2 and me no make
If
no
you
profit
don't
on
want
it.
it, give me back.
Me no make no profit on it. So how you gonna come give me 3 grand? Me know say from you, Indian, for you go in one room, you make money. Cause you're not easy, you know. You're terrible, you know. Indian.
Me no make no money. Me I tell you, so when I client them bring silver alone.
Indian, you go around me. And listen to me. Listen to me now. No? You better eat little and eat long. Because I'm going to stop your client. You better work with the other girl. Not start work with you. Because you come tell me about man can silver. Nothing go so. Because for them say, yo, money you go spend. Anyway.
You're going like you don't want the money, look at bush. If you don't want to give me back, cause me work hard for it, so.
What I mean, if you don't, then what mean I business for? No make money, Indian.
Then why you complain if I that me make
but
a that
Indian,
me make?
this. Hey, listen to me, man. Me vexing them, man. Yo, yeah, me.
You just a complain if you not give me back buy me a drink then now. I will like that me again now. Come now.
Yo, you thirsty?
Yeah.
Give me back 5 bills. Give me back 5 bills out. Hold on, give me back your 5 bills out. You see say your money?
Really? After me tell you say me not make nothing? You don't feel like I tip them then? Me not supposed to give them a tip?
Yeah, alright, man.
Alright.
Bro, you there, man? What go on? So you say, bro, I can come to your senses, man. What go on? What means bro here?
Yeah, me I say, see?
Eh.
You're my brother.
Yeah.
I'm not disrespect you, I'm not let you down certain way, but I can't take it offer. I can't come back and come work.
So hold on. So you could you really where you come at night? At night now, you know?
Yeah, because I try to call your phone. You're supposed to tell me to call your phone.
Yeah, but you don't know the system all over now work good, what, you know?
You know that man that I reason about say ask me about.
So you just come and tell me say you're not.
I can't take it because you know. I don't feel like I want to work for nobody right now. You see, working for employers, them kind of stuck in one way and make, you know, me not intolerance there again.
But me ask you something.
Can't go back in and no work like that.
Listen, every man want independent. But me I tell you, is it working out for you, boss?
It will work out at some point. It just, just like, listen to me, I said, man, I just some hiccup are going right now and stop demotivate me for kind of being my own boss.
Alright, calm down, brother. You're behaving too arrogant. Just calm down. What you say now?
Pressure about spy, but that me I tell you, right now, me can't deal with this no more. Me come in a place, I must feel irritable because there's too much memories.
Listen, man.
Too much memories, bro.
You did that boy, you turn farmer and I turn. To me know say you never have no knowledge of that. All of a sudden you're a farmer.
Yeah, because that's all I've said at some point.
You just turn farmer, so. Yeah. And listen. Well, I don't know if you tell you this, but you need to cut out a certain things because every time man see you on car and all over bridge and anything, then me get them news there, you know, so you need to leave it here bank. Because you deposit in a bank and you not get no return. You understand what I mean? You need to leave it here bank, man.
Alright.
Zin, sir.
Alright, sir. That if I that you worry about.
And that's what I worry about, but I truth. So you just need to cut off a certain lifestyle. And but I think I come to me say, boy, yo, you change your mind, but well, I tell you.
No, I say what I respect me, I tell you, because
right.
Even when Bridget knows something, saying want to talk to me about some stuff, I mean I rush to chat here now. You understand what I say?
Anyway.
So, you remember Luca Bush?
Who?
Luca Bush.
Eh.
I am saying you want to reason about certain things. No reason man.
Who?
Luca Bush. You are linked over now. Him saying you want to chat to me about something.
Oh, so it all makes sense now. You know where the kind of work Luca Bush do, man. Them man did everything wrong and them man they have him. Anyway.
Have a nice life.
Brother, we talk, yeah?
Yeah, man, have a nice life.
Big up
Because
yourself.
you come like you can't make up your mind what you want. Yeah? Alright, boss. Go on, my brother. I will see you. You'll come back, man. You
We
shall
talk.
come back.
We
Watch and
talk.
see. You wait and see. You'll come back.
Christ, why not tell you?
Hold on. Turn up the General. Gotta take my call in, man.
So you go on.
Yeah, man, everything I pass.
You say bygones be bygones.
Bygones,
So not this over there.
Alright, so you are going now. As me there tell you on the phone, so me nah no space down there. And the little empress a come down from town. So, as you're a man and a woman, so me make sure Billy off with the free night. Because I know more than happy for that. You can have her for the whole night. You understand what I say? Free
No,
of
sir.
cost.
Brother, I one thing with
Bobby,
fear
no
woman
bother
them.
with him. Bobby.
Cause listen to me I say. Look at Bush. Hear this out loud. You see, based upon the last experience, me no feel some more experience, no more experience.
Bobby, listen up.
Because experience teaches experience.
Well,
I mean,
listen now, man. Me never know so that everyone that thief. You see this one? Fresh, young and I do it. I'm going to do a background check for him. He's good, man.
you know, you me say no. How are they?
Man, you know, say that easy. Listen to me now, man. Because some start employ them now. They have to have them papers.
So make sure I bounce, sir.
She good, man. A nice girl, believe me, man. Listen to me, man. Believe in me, man, Bobby, man. Look at now. Bobby, you see 5 grand? Keep it.
That you say long time,
Say
brother.
long time.
Yeah, man.
So you want now, princess, come in now.
She coming.
Yeah.
She was good to you.
How are you, man? So this is my brethren, Bobby, meet Bobby. No, can't shake your hand, man. It's a good youth like that, man.
We are even Mustafa.
No.
A good height, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So you want now, take care of yourself tomorrow, yeah?
Say,
And listen
Ponce,
to
she
me now.
name?
Yeah, Ponce. Listen to me now, Ponce. Just do what myself do, not do otherwise. Remember what myself do? Behave yourself, right? Yeah. So, Bobby.
Oi.
Oh, what is man?
Yeah, smile like a what this man.
What you want?
What me say me want?
I don't understand why you wake me up.
Alright, me a wake you up, you there? You there and you feel like say you there, yeah. Cause a business you come for. And whole night me no get nothing at all.
Wait. What you mean business? Make sure tell look at bush, me not come here for this, you know. What you mean business?
What you mean you tell look about you no come out?
Listen, the reason why I'm there is because me and my man vex because when me dey on the phone, I talk to somebody else. I'ma make sure tell look at bush this. And first of all, me not cheat for my man. So you must know.
What you mean you not cheat for your man? Wait,
Me did stutter when me say it, that's a while ago. Me did stutter.
So now, you tell me say you not cheat for your man and you come in my yard and a business we're supposed to do. Eh? You collect my money last night, you know. And when you take the money, you say me first go brush my teeth, wash my face and come back. When me come back, you fast asleep.
I'm tired.
All me a box in your head back, you can't wake up.
I was tired.
You laugh, you think I joke business?
Come on.
Let me say you was tired. Hey, you're not my wife, you know. You're not my woman.
Stop. No, me never tell. Make sure tell look at bush say watch out. You know when I come here, you know, so I don't know where you get your business
What
from.
you mean, say me
You
know?
not come here about business.
Alright, so what you plan for? You plan to come out now? Or you plan to left no hour because we can't have a woman in my place.
Yeah, what? Wanna work? When you come back, we tell you if things can go on, if me and my man live or not. Because we live on bad too. So just go on work and, you know.
Me should go to work.
Yeah, let me just say.
And you ask about smile being face like your face is a joke thing.
Because it's funny. It's funny.
Look at bush. Why you set me
I
look
mean,
at
yeah,
bush.
talk. What do you mean look at bush?
Ah, you know what I do?
Mm.
See, because sometimes the Almighty send some situation we have to just work with the situation. Me I go and work and fall
Okay
back.
then.
What going on now?
I say I'm upset from last night. Oh yeah, I'm so.
You're upset for what?
Last night when me come from work, I get robbed.
sorry for hearing that.
What you mean?
Yeah, when we visit you, I don't know who robbed you.
That's all I have to say?
So,
And when me come last night,
alright, you report it?
report it to
the police.
me not report it. Talking about police, I want to know if you still have the link there to the police. Because I need to figure out who. I want back my money.
You don't need no link to no police, just go down to the station and
I
go
not go
report
down to
it.
the station. I want your friend because I don't want to deal with like that.
So hold on, so you don't want police to deal with it, you want gunman to deal with it?
Your friend a gunman? Give me your number.
No, I'm a police, that's what I mean.
So give me your number.
You know do them the type of work, you're police work. You know,
Give me your number, save.
Plus me not give no man number. Me not give no man number.
What you mean?
Just go down, listen, simple. Just go down to the station and go file a report.
So why you can't help me out?
Yeah, go on, me and the police, I'm to help you out.
Last time I come
Alright, you know who robbed you?
It no matter. I want the man number.
I'm tired, I not have sleep good last night.
You didn't sleep good last night in front. You sleep the whole night. Come back to this morning and you still ready to start yarn.
Yeah, come. Yeah, I don't want to talk about that. You what happened? Or maybe I'm hungry. You what happenend? Me go search and find out if me still have your number.
Me know you have your number.
So
you just don't want to give me.
Yeah, make it thing complicated. Just go down to the station and report.
Me no want to go down to the station. I want you to give me the number so I can start out something for my own. I no want to go to the station and make that report. You don't understand if for the year money gets into your station and you have link.
Listen, I tell you, if my police friend don't really do them type of business there. If it's something illegal you want to done or something somebody you want to get shot or whatever.
Illegal.
Yeah, but if you're a conversational leader and if you're his son, so his son. Hold on. No, everything kind of just have soak up in my brain. Where you go last time to get robbed?
No work. Where me go? When me left, so me gonna work. What kind of dumb question you ask about? I go work when me come back, me get robbed. I want your help. For you there to start to fool in this gas station.
When me done, me give your number.
Why me can't get it now?
Cause my phone turn off the charge.
Me can't go through my day without knowing until I have this. Me have somebody from this assault it out. I want the number now to make the call.
I think you're not listening. And I don't want you to feel like say. I don't believe you say get robbed, or me I try to make things complicated. But these are some of the questions where I just say if you alright, you want to access it. You get robbed when you come from work or when you go to work?
In the night when me come from work.
And I close to the supermarket and I get robbed or far from it.
Why? It no matter? It matter?
But them there are details are important. You know, them the question the police
are
asking.
You tell me gas station. If my gas station, me give them details. Where you no question. Listen, man.
But them give me birth number. Them the thing they more asking.
Well, if me telling me, man, tell about what me say. No, everything's supposed to be classified when me telling me.
Alright,
question me. Me tell them I want the number.
When my phone don't charge, we give you and you call him. One more question. What time is supermarket lock?
I don't see why me big woman sitting and have you question me now. Where you question me?
Yeah, you want me help, but you don't want me ask you.
Me don't want to help more. You give me one simple number. Just give me the number. 7 digits. I help that. No question. You not put money in my pocket for you there to start question me. If I ask you for 5 grand, I can't get it. If I don't get it next week. When I want it now. No question. Me I do what me I do to make my money, do question.
Okay, alright.
Me go get the number or not.
My phone in this hard charge, so just go take out the number.
I go search everything. Move your phone.
I want to go on here, so.
Let me say what I'm going to say. Yo, let me tell you this. This a situation now working out.
No, so we take our shot and come to
What do you mean you take off shut a condo?
Dirty pervert, what you mean by?
What do you mean dirty pervert?
No, I come down my yard now, cause I not tolerate them foolish.
You better you come out of that if you do.
So now that man do what you mean? You take our shirt and I come to... Hey, I keep...
Give back my money, though. More my money.
Push money. You have to go fight me that this week. Push money. What you mean? Hey, you better not ramp with me that this week.
You want me money?
I know that touch me, man, a bad man. You know, I'm not going down at Tivoli. Ramp with me, I'm going to call my man, you know.
Come on, please.
Come on.
Come on, please.
Touch me, no? Back home.
Come on, me not touch you. Come on to my house.
Better not touch me.
One criminal you no be.
Go away.
Yo, look at Bush. Right now, if you know, or you mash up my weekend, brother. Me I tell you that. You mash up my week. Yo, disagree. What? Yo, what you mean calm down? Calm down how? Calm down for who? For you? Me not calm down for you. Me I tell you so right now. Anyway, me say you have to give me back my money. Me give her 15,000 last night. Woman fall asleep. Say, him have. And then wake up that man and say she have man. Eh? And she don't cheat. What kind of style that, brother? Eh? You know, see, I try to take me, yo, you try to tell me you're a fool and look at Bush. I mean, yo, you know, it's a pressure bus pipe. I don't know if you know that. And right now, I'll be a pressure I go on, yo. Know yourself, man. Me must see if you talk to you one hour. I need my money. Me need my money, and that me I talk about.
You subscribe yet?